Hey guys, welcome to Food Flavors Fondness. I hope you're all having a great time. And great times deserve great snacks, isn't it? So, bringing you the recipe of savory wheat flour crisps or what you call shankar pale. This will serve you a perfect evening snack. The ingredients of the recipe are titled in the video. Also, check out the description box for the quantities. The very first thing that we've got to do is to heat the oil in a pan that we'll be adding to the dry ingredients later. Now since we'll be kneading the mixture into a dough, so take a wide plate, add in wheat flour, refined flour, caraway seeds, just crush them between your palm and then add in. We'll also be adding in cumin seeds, some sesame seeds and salt as per your taste. Now we'll also be adding in red chili powder that will give a nice color to the crisps. Now just lightly mix all the dry ingredients. Now it's time to add in the hot oil that we had suggested in the beginning of the video. Now just lightly fold all the dry ingredients into the oil, but be careful since the oil is very hot. Now add in water and knead it into a nice dough. Just don't add in a lot of water at the beginning itself. Keep adding water occasionally, or else if you add in a lot of water at the beginning, then you never know if the dough might turn into a slurry later. Now knead the dough very nicely so that all the spices are very well mixed. As I said, add water occasionally. If you feel that the dough is still dry, then add in a bit of water and then knead it. After kneading the dough nicely, this is how the dough will turn out. Just close a lid or something and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Now heat the oil for frying. We'll be deep frying the crisps. Meanwhile, take a portion of dough. Now start rolling the dough into tortillas or chapatis. While rolling, you'll feel that the dough is nice and tight. Just don't roll the dough into very thin tortillas, or else the moment you add in them into the oil, it would instantly turn brown and wouldn't taste good. Now once the tortilla or the chapati is ready, take a knife or a pizza cutter and cut the tortillas into any shape. We'll be cutting them into diamonds. While rolling the dough, if you feel that the dough is sticking to the base, then please don't use flour to dust. Instead, use oil. If you use the flour, then the flour may spread into the oil while frying. Just check if the oil is hot. Yeah, so the oil is very well heated. Now we'll be adding in the diamond cuts. Now deep fry these diamond cuts, dropping them one after the other. Oh sorry, I forgot to say that the flame should be kept at low to medium and fry them till they are nice golden brown. Now it is the beginning of festive seasons. Dussehra and Diwali are near to approach, so we prepare such savories and sweets and store them, and on the day of occasion we exchange sweets with our friends and family and relatives. On a whole, it literally took my mom some 2 hours to do with all the batches. This is just a revised version of the video that you are seeing. As you can see that the crisps are nice golden brown. Just remove them and do the same with the rest of the batches. You can store this for about 25 to 30 days. Later they would smell oily, but I'm sure there would be nothing left to be stored because they are just so yummy. Now you can try these crisps as such, and you can also serve it with some sauce. Also, this is a perfect thing to snack on with your tea on a rainy evening. I hope you liked this video. If you did so, then do like, share and subscribe Food Flavors Fondness. Don't miss to hit the bell icon to get notified by the new recipes. Also, don't forget to follow Food Flavors Fondness on Instagram. Till then, keep cooking, keep spreading love. Bye bye.